The exercise 1-1. We have to make a program that calculates the BMI, and we have to convert the result in whole number. These are the inputs. These are the inputs. Great. Let's see. We know the equation of the BMI, and this is the example input and the example output. We start right here. Wait. All right. No. That thing is... What's wrong with that? Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, so... we have two inputs. Height input. Weight input in kilograms. All right, so we have the two inputs. We'll put them both in a variable. After that, we'll display the result. Oh man, come on. I keep pressing enter, Jesus. I keep pressing enter, right? And here is the end. Oh my, I just... Okay, so BMI equals weight divided by height to the power of 2. Let's print BMI. Wait a second. This will be... Okay. All right, let me see. Strength and integer. So we have to convert height float. Convert weight to int. That's okay. Variable BMI. After that we print. What? Let me see. Okay. Okay, let me see. Let me think. So I just made the entire table. This one. I made it the entire an integer. I don't get it. What's the difference if I place int here and float here? So if I don't place it here, the result will be a string. Yeah, but I converted in this variable the weight into an integer, which doesn't work like that. And a float. Okay. $80. Yeah, we're good. The result is great, but we have to make it. It's really easy. A whole number. Okay, let me. I forgot this. Very important step. Mm. Okay. We are good. This is interesting. I know that I had to restart for the second exercise, but anyway. So this is interesting. Just 1 second, guys, because I want to understand why. This is pretty obvious. If I turn the input right away in a float and integer, it's exactly what I tried here. with that operation. So it's very easy. But the thing, if I think about it, I've done here the same thing. I just converted. Okay, so I guess you can't. Nah, that's impossible. Let me check this one more. Okay. So the input returns a string, which we know. Yeah, but I have the conversion. Wait a second. The operation that is here will return me a float. That is why it doesn't work, because the string will be placed in here, and the result that I get from this equation will be a float. That is why I have to make it a float up there. Yeah, that's it, dude. Jesus Christ, man. Okay, great. Great. Okay, it's recording. I just canceled my recording a minute ago. Okay, let's close our... Yeah, we are okay. So I get it now. It has to be a float from the start and integer from the start, because the result, if I make it here, yeah, okay. Yeah, let's check the flow chart. So we have the height input, which will be in meters. We have the weight input, which will be in kilograms. We convert height to float. We convert weight to int. We make the variable input, BMI, and we print the BMI, a whole number. And yeah, looks good to me. Great. Okay. For the next one, I'll start the clock. Right, so this one is complete.